Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert email symbol in Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word, and from home you simply need to go on to the insert, go on to the symbol, click on more symbols, and here you need to select the font, that is I'm going to type. So here you simply need to select this one for example, and here you need to select extended characters plain one. Once you select it, you simply need to drag from the top and scroll down. Here is the email symbol. Here you can see. Then you simply need to click on insert. Let me make it up bigger. Go on to the home. Here you can see that. So this is a process how you can insert email symbol in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.